Hello everyone. It's a pleasure to give a speech on the International Symposium on Current Research in Hydronic Turbines. I'm Zhongdong Qian from the State Key Laboratory of Water Resources and Hydropower Engineering Science. In this speech, I want to introduce the cooperation between Wuhan University and Kathmandu University in hydropower. Firstly, I want to introduce Wuhan to you. In the first figure, the red point is Wuhan, and the blue point is Kathmandu. Wuhan locates beside the Yangtze River, which originates from Himalaya region. The population of Wuhan is more than 14 million. I think Wuhan is also famous for the coronavirus snow. Wuhan University is one of the most beautiful universities in China. So, after the coronavirus, you are welcome to visit Wuhan University. As to the cooperation between Wuhan University and Kathmandu University, I want to say something about the China and Nepal cooperation firstly. In later last year, Chinese President Xi Jinping met with Nepali President BRI in Kathmandu. Then, China-Nepal upgraded ties to a strategic partnership of cooperation. She said the two sides should build an all-around cooperation pattern, carry out the construction of a trans-Himalayan connectivity network, and expand exchanges and cooperation in various fields. But I don't think everyone can understand the trans-Himalayan connectivity. Fortunately, the Prime Minister of Nepal, Oni, and the Foreign Minister of China, Wang Yi, explained for us. They said both sides should jointly promote the Belt and Road Initiative and boost railway, road, air links, as well as cooperation in border crossing, energy, and cultural exchanges. So all corporations should be under the framework of BRI. To understand the framework of BRI, let's take a look at the white paper of BRI in 2019. It says China will advance cooperation with other participating countries in the fields of roads, railways, ports, aviation, aerospace, oil and gas pipelines, power supply, and network communications. All these fields mentioned in the white paper will be funded by BRI. It has been 6 years since the Belt and Road Initiative was put forward. Over the past 6 years, the major projects were mainly on railway, port, aviation, and energy. I think everyone has noticed energy, because hydropower is one of the cleanest forms of energy. Take the China-Pakistan cooperation, for example. 19 projects under the framework of BRI have been started or completed by late 2018, among which 7 energy projects have gone into operation with a total installed capacity of 3.4 million kilowatts. which can meet the power need of 8.6 million households. In Nepal, several energy projects funded by BRI have gone into operation too. Take the Upper Trisuli 3A hydropower project for example. It went into operation last year. The Prime Minister only said, this project would help to reduce electricity import from India and promote industrialization and modernization of agriculture by increasing the use of electricity. According to the rules of BRI, more and more hydropower projects in Nepal will be funded. Since hydropower belongs to clean energy, that's why we choose hydropower as a cooperation area between WHU and KU. It is reported that more than 55 undeveloped hydropower lies in Asia. All countries in Himalaya region, including Nepal, have huge hydropower potential. Under the framework of BRI, developing hydropower in the participating countries will be funded. On the other hand, new technical requirements appear when developing hydropower in Himalaya region. The sediment problem seems to be a major obstacle for most of the rivers. There are 20 billion tons of global sediment flux from rivers to the oceans per year, out of which around 6 billion tons are contributed by rivers originated from Himalaya. The sediment erosion of hydronic turbine is a major challenge in hydropower development in Himalaya region, such as China, Nepal, India, Bhutan, Pakistan, and other related countries. We can find from all the figures, in every country, silt erosion is serious. In China, it is reported that the capacity of a turbine destroyed by sediment erosion is 8.67 gigawatts. So international cooperation is necessary to meet the technical requirements. In 2017, an MOU between Wuhan University and Kathmandu University was designed in Kathmandu. Then another MOU between the School of Water Resources and Hydropower Engineering of Wuhan University and the School of Engineering of Kathmandu University was signed too. The two sides planned to build a joint research center, Hydropower Research Center for Himalaya region. It is called for short HRCHR. It focuses on hydropower in Himalaya region, and the cooperation is under the framework of BRI. In the last March, WHU and KU finalized the draft of LOA. The president of WHU approved the LOA 1 month later. Until now, we are waiting for the response from KU side. I really want to know what is happening in KU. Anyway, we will wait until the deadline. Some joint activities were conducted last year. 18 students from Nepal exchanged to Wuhan University for 1 month. a joint workshop on water resource management and hydropower development in the Himalaya region was also organized by WHU, KU, and EC Model. The State Key Laboratory of Water Resources and Hydropower Engineering Science also provided visiting schooner fund for TTL. Dr. Braj is the first visiting schooner. His research title is Understanding the Mechanism of Sediment Erosion Phenomenon in Francis Turbine Component. The research work is going on. At the laboratory level, some joint researches have been carried out. We focus on site investigation. In the past 10 years, my research team has investigated more than 50 pump stations along the Yellow River, collecting sediment samples and scanning destroyed pumps using a 3-dimensional scanner. The sediment of Upper Yangtze River was also collected for analysis. You know, both the Yellow River and the Yangtze River originate from the Himalaya region. Now, by cooperation, several hydropower plants in Nepal have been investigated. Both sides collected and shared data for further research. From the cooperation, the students from TTL learned how to operate a 3-dimensional scanner, which is valuable for reverse engineering, and the students from Wuhan University get knowledge from the hydropower plant of Nepal. Numerical simulation of sediment erosion in hydraulic turbine was also carried out. We chose a turbine from Jimrak power plant of Nepal. You can find from the figures the runner, guide vanes, and the facing plates of the turbine were seriously destroyed by sediment after almost 4,000 hours operation. Even we know the erosion is inevitable, we want to know why. An interesting phenomenon was found from numerical simulation. The interplate vortex is thought as main contributor for severe sediment erosion at the runner outlet. The silt particle moves around the vortex and cuts the runner outlet. By eliminating the interblade vortex, sediment erosion of runner outlet is obviously decreased. But the flow rate and output power are decreased accordingly. This research is still underway. I'm sure valuable results will be provided by our cooperation. The two sides have co-authored several publications reporting our new progress in sediment erosion. If you are interested in our research, please read the publications, and you are welcome to discuss with us. Thank you, and welcome to Wuhan.